Ex-Chief Minister Nongthong Biren has assured of an appropriate political development as the current president rule cannot extend beyond 12th of February. He made these statement assertions at Imphal International Airport while en route to New Delhi, joined by a majority of NDA-allied MLAs who have been summoned by the Centre for Critical Consultations. Speaking to media persons, he said that the state MLAs are departing for Delhi as summoned by central leadership in hopes of seeing some change in the political development as the president's rule ends on 13th February.
NDA की partner punamaki honorable members in Kobani naiba namo ekoi BJP की mayam pulure adugi development mayam phajna lei adui matungda sigi NDA की loi suna korpai si adagi amuk khoi की PR की matam si tarik 32 dagi tarani thoi dagi hena lan ba yada panina. Let us hope positive response. Government is a continuing process. I try my best to change the landscape change in the state of Manipur and change mayam amadi lore hill in the valley landscape changing amadi tauri is mayam.